webinar on very interesting topic. So, like a little overview on why are we, or the current position of the crop insurance in Tanzania economy is, agricultural sector in Tanzania contribute a quite significant percentage in the economy. So apart from COVID-19, even other any other crisis, the sector has to be protected. So as one of the intervention, insurance has been somehow helpful in terms of providing cover to some farmers in rural area, though it's only few insurance companies right now that are currently offering the crop insurance coverage, and this is most because of the uh, payment ability from the rural people who are mostly farmers. They cannot afford the price of the crop insurance, but also right now the laws require that the full premium should be paid for a cover to be affected. So you might find if an insurance company has partnered with development partners and try to be able to assist some of the farmers cooperatives union, sometimes the cover got cancelled because it's a huge premiums, and these farmers only depend on the agriculture for their livelihood and a little surplus which is for commercial purposes. So at times, for underwriting purposes, these insurance companies now fails to be able to provide those cover to these poor farmers. So I think the main challenge is the funding. This is not a sector that should be protected only by the government side or by the private side. It should be a combination of two, like the private public partnerships, because it involves fundings, it involves subsidies, and so many others. So currently, I would say that are the main challenges.
Uh, so that is the main challenge. What the role, maybe this question to you again, what the role of microinsurance in that case?
Okay, again, as I said earlier, it's almost approximately to 31% of our economy is driven by agricultural. And I mean, the revenue from the export is 24.1% from the agricultural sectors. So how can we say microinsurance play a greater role in providing the crop insurance mechanism to these farmers? Is of all the 31% output from our GDP came from the agriculture, and 83% of farmers are sitting in rural areas. And that means these guys are poor farmers who are doing farming just to survive and have a little surplus for their for meeting other needs. So talking about microinsurance is straight away capture these farmers who are contributing quite a significant percentage in our economy. So designing a microinsurance, which is like an insurance which is designed for poor people. So I would say it's a proportional or direct proportional that microinsurance framework uh, likely or 100% impact the lives of farmers. And right now, it's only few insurance companies that are currently offering the microinsurance. You know, farmers do really need the protection mechanism from insurance, but I think they need more than that. There are other non-government organizations such as One Acre Fund, Vision Fund. They do provide some insurance mechanism, but over and above that, they do provide training for farmers, visiting the farmer to see how they are conducting their cultivation activities, because once again, the literacy level for these people is quite lower compared to the urban population. So if insurance companies such as we have currently 26 general insurance company and 5 insurance companies coming together with the development partners and the government initiatives, provide subsidy, provide funding for microinsurance to take over, will definitely assist this farmer to have their crop be protected from adverse weather experience. But not only that, because they do not hire laborers, they are the one who are going to farms. They are the one who are leading their farm. So what if they get sick? What if somebody's children is in the hospital? That means that the main economic activities that they depend on will stop because the father, the mother is at the hospital. So it goes over and above the agricultural insurance. It goes to cover those other perils that farmers are sick, are suffering from their daily life. So microinsurance, it's some initiative. I understand TIRA, together with other development partners, including FSDTs, are working tirelessly to make sure that this is happening. But once again, the insurance company has to be innovative and be ready to bear some kind of losses, because this is a loss. Somehow it has to be funded. So it somehow provide not quite positive underwriting experience. But at the end of the time, at the end of the day, we need to protect our economy. So public partnership is quite vital. And again, microinsurance success, it means these poor farmers again be protected, not only on the crop insurance, but other perils such as health and life and funeral. That is what I can say for now.